Hey, what's up, turtles? Krik here with Black Owl Outdoors. My brother and I are out here today filming a few videos, obviously, testing some gear, but now it's time to get some warm food in our bellies, stomachus. So yeah, I want to start getting the fire going, get the stove out, and start cooking up some food. I'm testing out the stove for a little while now, and it definitely has warped a decent amount. Doesn't feel like any of the integrity is lost in the stove, but it definitely warped. Take a little bit longer to get it set up. That looks good right now. This is the Emberlit original stove. I'm going to use birch bark to help get this fire going, and a lighter. I'm hungry, I'm not going to mess around. Basically at this point, I'm just getting initial fire going in the stove, get a little bit of a coal base. So what I'm going to be making myself, and possibly Stony if he's hungry, got a few eggs in here, just cut off a carton, rubber banded to keep it a little bit more secure. In this container, which is really nice, these containers are very, very useful and handy when bringing food to the forest. In here, I got some cut up Tofurky sausage. Works really well if you sort of quarter it. And I'm going to be using it on the cast iron pan, which I have in my lap. Gonna let that warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna add some oil, and get this party rocking. This wind's not helping today. Don't have a windbreak. Just cook two of these little quarters at once, or at first, in case Stony wants a second. Make him a second one when he's done working. That's what I want to hear. No, the heat's high enough. Guess I can take this time to talk about some stuff. Got some exciting new gear on the way. Got some packs coming from different companies we have yet to work with, so that's kind of exciting. I'm really excited actually to get these packs and test them out. So you'll be seeing videos on some new packs coming in the near future. So what I want to do with these is just get a nice texture on this, because it's Tofurky, fake meat, and texture is real important. That's why I quarter it. Yeah, that's looking good. So next plan, I want to crack an egg in here. Get some of this oil, spread that around. You know it's on high heat when it makes that sound when you pop it in the pan. A deep fried egg, right? It's a little cherry turner that I made specifically for this pot, nice and small. Oh yeah, look at that texture. Some might even say burnt. Gives it some flavor. All right. Time to flip it and take it off the heat because I'm starting to burn. Oh, look at that color. You can't get that at a restaurant. Move this over here. Let's see what the... Oh yeah, I completely cooked the yolk. Just kidding, look at that. A little bit of creamy in there. Oh, sorry. I'm excited. So, I'm gonna take a chunk of that. A little bit of fried egg. Combo bite. Mmm. It's hot. Good. Oh man. I'm just gonna finish this meal. A few more combo bites. Yeah, just a little simple video, sitting out here, enjoying the day, sort of a little behind the scenes, if you will. We're out here filming other videos, gear testing. I thought, you know, show you some lunch in the woods while we're out here working for the day. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I'm gonna finish my meal and quit talking. This is Krik signing out with Black Outdoors. Later, turtles.